All right, so what do we have for today? We got a pullback, and we found buyers in the area that I mentioned on Friday, in this single prints in this 4110 area, which was this previous swing high. And now we're bouncing back. All the inventory is short, meaning that from the close on Friday, all the action on the overnight session happened below the close. We came down all the way here, found buyers, we're bouncing back. So the first thing that I look on days like this, given that we are opening in a gap, so we are like 15 points away from the low on Friday. We're also about 25 points from the close. So I look for a correction of inventory. So initial push up to close the gap. If we don't get that right away, then I know that there's not enough buyers for that. So we're gonna have to look for buyers. That means that either we balance around this area or we start pushing down into the single prints. So we want to watch how those single prints react. If we break down the overnight low, then look for 4090 as the target. And if you look at, can you guys hear me? Somebody saying, yeah, okay. Somebody saying that that they couldn't hear. Okay. I'm recording this anyway, so I'll post it in a second. So we look for 4090, which is the bottom of the single print. If we're not able to bounce back, there's a very high volume node here, 4090. If that doesn't support, then look for the untested point of control here at 4080, and then this balance area, we'll see how, if it holds 4070. But once we get into this area below 4090, this area all the way to 4000 becomes the balance area that we've been trading at for the past week. So I would fully expect to hit that 4032 point of control, high volume node, and then look for how this single prints at 4010 to see if those hold. So basically, getting inside this, getting below 4090 will put this balance area back in play. Staying above, we'll look for higher prices, see how if we can get this overnight high to break, and then we'll look for the point of control from Friday, which is at 41.48, and then see if we can keep moving back up. I don't think we're gonna take this high yet, but holding these levels would mean that the uptrend is not broken yet, and we can see higher prices in during this week.